Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 20th, 2024. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Let me continue with this one, the Jigsaw Sudoku. News of today, well, Putin, where's the body of Navalny? He murdered Navalny, but the body is disappeared. Yeah, the body is disappeared. Alright, let me position the camera first. I'm having troubles with the tripod. Okay, this one will be number 8040. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 16. Yeah, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And so I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, should be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated with a 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and the 2. Alright, next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 is already given, so the other 2 should be the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Then, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left and 4. I should be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And first one is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. How about the next shape? This shape. The Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you get the Z. And if you flip this shape or mirror this, then you get the S. But it's the same shape. Alright. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z construction. Then the last shape in this puzzle, the L shape. It's rotated, this L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can be a 2. We already have a 2 there. So it should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 2 could be here or there. If I place the 2 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here in this area, so it cannot be a 2 in this box. The only place left for the 2 in this area, Z construction, should be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this Z construction should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. Then these no. This box can be 3. This box can be a 1. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated there the 1. So the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And 1 box left in this Z construction for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yeah, it should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. Then I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be and a 4 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Wait. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here or there, well, here can be a 2 because it's reserved for the 4 or the 5. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with a 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, it should be a 0 stars because for the 0 stars, need to be faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. 3 stars. No publisher. This one is a 0 stars. And I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again in the evening. Yeah. For the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.